This screencast is intended to show people how to quickly and efficiently combine reports in OpenTrack. I'm using OpenTrack version 0.8.4. This has a couple of issues fixed, which should make your life a little bit easier. But notwithstanding, let's go ahead and do this. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to load tracks. I'm going to do this from 3 separate trials, and then we're going to combine things. So first of all, let's say I'm doing this for my linear kinematics. This happens to be the project for that. I load the project and the data file. I go continue. I'll go to graphs. Now, I have to just comment at this point. I know that some of you have made the mistake in thinking that your graphs are persistent. They're not. This is the tool for creating the graphs. So you create the graphs, you can view the graphs. Because creating graphs is as easy as simply checking boxes here. You really don't have to do a whole lot of thinking. It's not persistent. You can recreate these literally in half a minute or less. So, and you might screw around with playing it, with getting exactly what you want, whether you're going to do a certain type of fit, what range, and so on. The only way to actually save those graphs easily is using the reports. So let's go ahead and let's say that I need a linear fit there, a linear fit there, and I'll leave the acceleration off. I do my plotting. All right. So I've got what I've got here. Here's the next graph. So it's not particularly pretty, but that's not the point of this. I loaded my data. I loaded my project. I created my graphs. Those are the 2 graphs that are going to show up. I'm going to create a report. Let's call this one Report A. Alright, so creates everything, imports the graphics, loads it up, sets the report paths, and watch down here. It says report saved. Okay, so everything is there. I don't have to worry about this anymore. I don't have to click anything. I can get rid of it. I now reload. Don't hit the back arrow. You want to reload because you got to reload all your data. You want to Z it out because you now have a different video. So now we load tracks. Let's see, there was static. Let's do the constant velocity one. There's the project. There's the data. I hit continue. It's already been tracked. Let's check on what I want to graph. I'm going to clear this. So I'll do the position, the velocity, the acceleration. What did we want? Constant velocity, linear fit. Linear fits all around. Okay, I do plot. Okay, that one looks great. There's a little bit bumpy, but it's, 1 more or less. And that's a bit bumpy as well. It sort of surrounds 0, as we would hope to expect. Okay, so now I go into the reports. Those are the 3 I want. I'll click Create. And since my first report was Report A, let's call this Report B. Okay. Go through all of the different noises here. We import the 3 images. Report B.zip. Report's paths are set, and look over here. Report saved. Okay. Ready, and of course, we have everything that we need there. Alright. I'm done with that. It's been saved. I don't have to worry about it. Reload. I'm going to load the 3rd one, load tracks. Constant acceleration. Okay, let's try that one. Okay, so now this thing is going downward with the force of gravity. Take the ball, go to graphs, clear all. Oops, let's actually click it. Position, velocity, acceleration. We're going to do a quadratic fit on the first. A linear fit and a linear fit. Let's do a plot. There's the 1, 2. We've got that little bump that we always have for some reason. And 3. Okay, great. Let's not hit save. Let's go to reports. The 3 are there. I'm going to hit create. And this was report C. Alright, great. I get my 3 images, zips it together, We're set, and it's saved. My 3 images are in fact there. Alright, at this point, I'm just going to open the first one. What I want to do is I want to have them go in order, A, B, and C. I don't want report C, then B, then A. I want A, B, C. So let me open this one. This will replace the first one. It's not saving over it, it's just replacing what I'm editing. Just like if you open a document in certain types of editors, your last document, if it was saved, great. If it wasn't saved, you're now editing whatever that other document is. So now I'm editing report A. I want to combine reports. So let's say I go here, combine reports, and I say, alright, let's bring report B in. Ooh, now this is going to be new for you guys. It says this will add your chosen file to the end of this file. It will save it with the same file name, report A. If you wish to use a new file name, click cancel and save this report with a new file name. Let's click cancel. Alright, so let's do the save as bit. Let's call it combined report. Okay, so now if you look, report saved, ready, and look, it says combined report up there. So nothing has changed, only the name has changed. Let's start combining things. So now we're going to read in report B. Okay. So images disappear for just a second, and then they come back, and there we have it. That's the second one. Notice linear fit for velocity, linear fit for position, and so on. Okay. So all of that's good. Let's combine, let's add another one, report C. We're going to get that same warning. We're going to click OK. Report saved. So we can also look at it this way if we want to. See all the different images that we have from before. So this is the first report, the second report, and the third report. And now I can start editing things to my heart's desire. Okay, so I can close this. Let's just prove to you guys. Edit, open, and what do we have? We have combined report.zip, and the images load, and everything's there. Alright, so we can look at it this way too. First 2 images for the first report, next 3 images, final 3 images, they're all there. Alright, so that is how you combine reports. If you want graphs to be persistent between when you process different data in OpenTrack, you store it in a report. That's the best way to do it. Okay, good luck.